तो चलिए शुरू करते हैं।
तर चला मित्रांनो, आपल्या थोडंसं मंडपाचं काम होतं, थोडं करून येऊ जाऊया चला. निघाल चला. हा चालू कर चला. चला जाऊ आता.
Texas, all the way to New Orleans, where the girls could catfish. And in LA, every chick's an actress. Hollywood status with the shaded glasses. To Detroit, yeah, the place that I rest, where the ladies got asses and love live sex. And Hot Atlanta, y'all, is one of the best. Where they speak Southern slang and smoke live cess. And New York women are way too fresh. Too much on your mind, let me ease that stress. I wish you all were mine, it's so self-fed. Maybe I'm feeling myself too much, I guess. Right. To my ladies all across the globe, from the small towns that I don't even know, to all local international codes. Whether you see me in the streets or catch me at shows, I'm all selfish. Spotlight like Mr. Bentley. I spotted her like Spud McKenzie. And for them fake movies, I paid them Benjis. Get your own. I got Paris, he got Nicky, he tried to get him a clone. He said, yeah, you know you got extra hoes, and everything you do is extra cold. From the polo fleece to the Jesus piece. I got family in high places like Jesus niece. Can I please say my piece? If y'all blessed to death, then I'm deceased. This one here is a heat box. Like the beatbox, the way the beatbox. New version of beat rock. But for that means I can't see L love. So I switch my girls around like 3L love. I'm calling. I'm selfish. I'm selfish.
मित्रांनो, आपल्याला ह्या ठिकाणचा मंडप काढायची आहे काही. काढू चला, खुर्च्या वगैरे आहेत. चला मित्रांनो, काम झाले. चला सामान टाकू जाऊ चला आता जाऊ गाडी घरी लावू आणि जाऊ आपलं शेताकडे जाऊ चला मित्रांनो आजचा ब्लॉग आता इथे सेंड करू भेटूया नेक्स्ट ब्लॉग मध्ये चला